Hi, welcome to Imperium Learning. This is the fourth exercise in a 7-exercise Excel course. In this video now, I just want to set out the fourth exercise by firstly talking about the prerequisites that you'll need in order to get the most out of this exercise. Then I'll actually dive into the task that you'll be doing throughout this exercise. And finally, I'll round off by going into specifics about the actual skills that you'll have learned after having completed this exercise. So, firstly, to start off, I just want to cover the prerequisites that you'll need. Firstly, you should have a Windows computer rather than, for example, a Mac computer. In addition to that, you should have a version of Excel that's at least as recent as Microsoft Excel 2010. The more recent, the better. So throughout this video series, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 2016. And then finally, it would be ideal to complete exercises 1, 2, and 3 beforehand, because this exercise assumes you know all these skills and keyboard shortcuts already. Then for the actual task itself, what are we going to be doing? Well, we're going to be working with two different spreadsheets to gain an understanding of some key functions in Excel, as well as being able to conduct some advanced analysis. So the first spreadsheet is a small table that lists the race times of some sprinters, and the second spreadsheet is a medium-sized table that details all property transactions in London on the 4th of April 2018. Now, in terms of the specific Excel skills that you'll have learned after completing this exercise, firstly, you'll get a much clearer understanding of the OR function and how to use it. Secondly, you'll get a better understanding of the AND function and how to use that. Thirdly, you'll also learn how to combine if functions with either AND or functions. And in particular, those first 3 bullet points are what we're going to be learning when we're dealing with that first small table that lists the race times of some sprinters. And then after that, with regards to the property transaction data, you'll get an introduction to text functions, and in particular, you'll be learning about the left function, the right function, the len function, and the replace function. After that, you'll also learn how to use find and replace, including for some particularly pernicious situations. And then finally, the most important skill that you'll be learning in this exercise is pivot tables. And this is the skill that we're going to spend the most amount of time on in this exercise. So just like the previous 2 exercises, in order to get the most out of this video series, you're going to want to click on a Google Drive link that I'll provide in the appropriate area, which will take you to a web page where you can download an Excel file that I've prepared for you. And so the idea is that the best way to learn is by doing. So hopefully, as I'm showing you how to do particular skills in Excel, you'll be repeating those skills yourself in your own Excel file. So I'm pleased to say that this concludes my video on setting out the 4th exercise of my 7-exercise Excel course. In the next video, I'm going to be introducing you to the OR function. So see you there.